And we are now under 5 minutes away from the opening of that release window. SpaceX Dragon, the CRS-11 commercial resupply mission, the 11th for SpaceX, getting ready to depart the International Space Station.
Station Houston on 2 for Dragon.
Go ahead on 2 for Dragon.
Okay, Peggy, we are looking good down here. You have a go for Dragon release on time.
With that 1:40 a.m. Central, the release window is now open. So with the window open, we'll stand by for the issuance of the command to release Dragon from Canadarm2. And once the command's given, it takes a little while for the snares to retract and Dragon to be released, and then it'll slowly drift away. Getting the confirmation the snare's open. And as you can see, slowly moving away, Dragon released. And so the robotic arm now being backed away by the crew on board, and the release coming on time at 1:41 a.m. Central, while the station was a little over 258 statute miles over the central part of Australia. So they're now going to back the arm away, and then a series of 3 burns will be executed using thrusters on Dragon to begin taking it away from the International Space Station. Getting a good view right down the barrel of the robotic arm. You can see it continuing to back away. And the visiting vehicle officer confirming the second departure burn has begun.
Copy. Go for step 5 in 1.320 and monitoring step 3 in 1.602.
Good words, Peggy.
Just crossing the terminator line, that line between night and day on the Earth's surface. Dragon continuing to depart the area from the International Space Station. But everything going smoothly with this morning's operation. We'll just watch for a few more minutes while Dragon heads off into the black. Everything going very well with the end of this SpaceX's 11th commercial resupply mission.